Have you ever imagined a staycation where you can get free food and drinks from breakfast to lunch until dinner? Plus, order all the drinks you want at the bar without having to spend a single dirham. Ever wondered how buffet and dining adjustments are done during the COVID pandemic? Watch the rest of the video and check out the overflowing array of food and drinks at the Rixos Bahr all-inclusive concept. We arrived at the hotel shortly after 2 p.m. and after checking in, they allowed us to go for lunch at the Seven Heights Buffet restaurant. This is also where they hold the breakfast, lunch, and dinner buffets. The place is arranged well with clear divisions between tables, and proper social distancing is followed during the COVID pandemic. During this COVID pandemic, restaurants practice what we call the controlled buffet style, wherein a hotel staff wearing masks and gloves will serve the food on your plate. I like how they put the clear glass divider between you and the server. I feel that this is actually more hygienic, don't you think so? Can I have one, please? Thank you. Sauce with mushroom sauce and mashed potato. We also have chicken tangy. So I think these are more of the Arabic Indian. Dal. And then there's grilled chicken. Beef and grilled chicken, please. Okay, thank you. And one grilled beef for me, please. Only two. Thank you. So grilled chicken. Station as well. Chicken shawarma. Can I have one, please? This is how they make chicken shawarma. That's the shawarma. Shawarma guy over there. Oh, we have a bread station. You can see this is covered by glass to protect people from breathing into the bread. We have dessert. You have to order. Can I have some fruits, please? We have some cakes over here. I want the pineapple, the watermelon, please. We also have some cakes over here. Cute decoration. We have these covered cakes. Because of COVID, everything is controlled. So you have to order what you like. It used to be very open, but now no. This is our first meal now. Okay guys, lunchtime. Very hungry. Errol, get more food. Oh, kumuha ka din ng shawarma. I also got shawarma. Okay. Do you like pineapples?
Yeah, it's my second idol fruit.
What's your first idol fruit?
Strawberry.
Oh yeah, but I think you like peaches.
Peaches is my fourth and mango is my third.
What happened to the mango?
Mango
I never
was
used
mango used to be first.
Mm-hmm.
Chicken shawarma a la Rixos Bahr. Is the food yummy?
This tissue.
We also have ice cream. Free ice cream. What's your favorite flavor? You got 3.
Yeah, I like chocolate and mango.
Chocolate and mango. How's your ice cream, dude?
I say fruit.
You're a dude.
Hindi ko
Dudes.
pala na-picture yung beverage. I like mango.
This is the beverage counter. You're not allowed to go get drinks yourself, so they serve it on your table. That's Angel over there. Daddy has an emergency. Emergency, Daddy. His mask broke.
Still working.
His mask broke. Emergency. Still works. So during COVID, they did this partitioning of the tables. They are divided by classes. In between, we have classes to protect each one from the virus, which is, I think, a good idea. It's a smart idea.
Tanggalin na nila tanggalin.
Yeah, they should not remove this. Even the control buffet is a good idea, actually. Wow, what's this?
Welcome, ma'am.
Wow.
Where can I place it, sir?
Here, please. We have some fruits and what? Red wine. Okay.
Here's your money.
Later, anak. Why are you giving?
Because it's me.
Yeah, we'll do it later because we're going to the pool.
Thank you.
Is there any? Give your money. Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, Rixos, for the anniversary treat. By the way, the food and drinks at the mini bar are also free of charge. During the day, you can grab some drinks at the C&C and Infinity pool bars. After the kids and Michael finished swimming, we grabbed some drinks at the bar while waiting for dinner. At Rixos, it is impossible to go hungry and thirsty. For them, variety is key. Different cuisines are offered at their a la carte restaurants, ranging from La Lézard, which is their Turkish, local, and international food, the La Olivo, the Italian restaurant. I remember dining here during my birthday in one of our previous stays. The Fishbone is the seafood specialist restaurant. Aja is the Asian expert, and Toast and Burger, which is their fast food. We chose to book our dinner at the Meat Point restaurant, which is their steakhouse. Huh?
2070.
Yeah. Sorry, 270. What are the options? Can we sit there inside with the bulls? Gusto mo sa labas? Okay, can we sit there in that corner, please? What's your order, madam?
French fries and Popeyes, please, sir.
2? Oh, there's another egg, Daddy.
French onion soup. Errol is trying the sparkling one with my
Wine
permission.
and alcohol. Wine is alcohol.
drinking alcohol?
How does it taste like?
Like the first time, it's like sweet a bit, and then it becomes
Bitter.
yeah.
Do you like it? No, good.
Let's observe first.
No, don't. That's it. So you'll never like.
Let's observe first. Then you taste this later.
Yeah, maybe you'll have allergy.
There's an egg.
Okay, so for our appetizers, we have
Ano inside? Sugar
beetroot salad. Wait lang.
lamb chop.
Do they have egg or mayonnaise in here? Or not?
Egg is fine.
Egg is here. Nuts? Any nuts? Not sure. Please, because he's allergic. I forgot to ask you earlier. Thank you.
Don't taste mo na.
Don't
Eat the
taste.
fries.
And Daddy has the quinoa salad.
Soup.
Thank you. Have a wait, mahal.
I like this paper.
I ordered that paper.
Order.
Yeah, from Shane. So Papa's cheeseburger. And Daddy, what do you have? Salmons.
Oh, look.
Whatever. Daddy, we can share my tenderloin. Okay. Our food has arrived. I have the tenderloin, of course.
Thank you for the cook, Daddy.
And my son Harold has
What is this?
the slow cooked beef ribs. Looks yummy, Kuya.
What? Look at this, Kuya. We just like
After drinking the sparkling, Kuya is now tasting the red wine.
grapes.
How is it, anak?
not get
My son is 15 years old. So bitter, right? I hate red wine.
Why are you drinking this?
We are approaching Mojito Bar. I used to come here in the past. Mojito. Why do you have to clap?
Just to like if I clap on mint leaves, so it will break and
Oh, the
and
taste will be really
yeah,
okay. Then that's a good
Butterfly.
idea. I want to know how to make a mojito. The master class is every Wednesday only, right?
here.
There's a mojito master class every Wednesday here. You don't know. You're
No, that Filipino guy, right? Masterpiece.
something like that, yeah.
Masterpiece. I know that guy.
Every Wednesday. So you put the mint,
Mint,
the lemon or lime?
lime, and this is lime juice.
Lime juice. I'm not getting your face, okay? And what's that? The rum?
This is sugar.
Sugar. And you have to muddle. Then comes the
Rum.
rum. Ooh. How do you know how much to put?
Counting.
You measured it already.
We are counting.
What's the rum? Brand of the rum?
counting? How
Cabana, Cabana Blanc.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
No, there's a line, so it should be within
The
the
line
line.
also, and for me,
You
if
count.
I count 9, okay, that should be 60.
Oh.
So everybody has a different.
And then
How you count how many?
crushed ice.
Just a 1, 2, 3, 4 slow. Some people they count fast, like 100.
Okay, Daddy is learning master class mojito from the master venue. And then that's it? Oh, you have to stir it.
Hindi yan sa'yo. Sa order.
Really?
The same, yeah.
No, some bars give fresh. This is my strawberry mojito, and that's Daddy's green apple. Okay, our mojito is ready. When life gives you a lemon, make mojito. Breakfast at Rixos consists of the usual array of buffet spread that you see at any regular restaurant. There's bread, a wide range of eggs, baked beans, hash brown, different varieties of bread, yogurt, muesli. There's a pancake and a waffle station. I particularly like the selection of fresh juices like the watermelon and the orange juice. I love it so much. Breakfast. Saying?
If we had breakfast at home like this, it would be cool.
The breakfast is so fancy and Wafa loves it. There I'll get more food, anak. I need milk for my tea.
Hot.
Do you want waffle and pancake? I'm not fan of waffle and pancake. There's sunny side up omelette. Say about their breakfast. I love the fresh watermelon
It's too
juice.
fancy.
You like waffles and pancake? We should have gone there near the sea view. But there's no more place.
And we're gonna swim.
So what did you like about the breakfast menu? Yogurt?
Yep.
Wafa,
And
finish what's on your
the
plate.
hash brown.
And the hash brown. There's a lot of bread. If you arrive early, you can usually pick a place beside the water near the beach area, which is very cozy. But as usual, we were late, so we missed the chance to have breakfast here. We just had our coffee. Feeling hungry yet after all the food you just saw? Well, let's look at this. Suppose you dine at a restaurant from breakfast to lunch, then dinner, plus a drink at the bar or a club during the weekends. I bet you'd spend the same amount of money as we did. But we enjoyed the short break, the amenities, and the short staycation at the Rixos Bahr, so we highly recommend it. That's it, guys, for the vlog. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, Catherine Inspiration, for more vlogs like this in the future. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.